Properly hydrated staff are the key to keeping up productivity and efficiency, so everyone can perform at their best in busy manufacturing and distribution environments. With Quench's commercial water and ice machines, you'll never have to worry about running out of water again. Quench bottleless machines deliver a reliable, convenient, and endless supply of filtered water and ice to hydrate busy staff constantly on the move. And they comply with OSHA requirements at manufacturing facilities, distribution centers, loading docks, and warehouses. When using traditional water jug dispensers, there are a lot of opportunities for avoidable accidents, like back injuries when employees try to install bulky and heavy 42-pound water jugs, and slips and falls from open faucet leaks or haphazard wires. With the absence of plastic water jugs altogether, our bottleless water coolers eliminate these avoidable accidents. At Quench, we understand the needs of demanding manufacturing environments and offer dependable, cost-efficient solutions for all kinds of manufacturing situations. Durable water dispensers with cold drinking water from first to third shift. Commercial ice machines with large dispense areas for rapid filling of canteens and igloos. Carbonated flavored water dispensers for healthy choices in cafeterias. We offer a wide variety of high-capacity machines that provide an affordable, clean, filtered drinking water alternative to bottled water. Quench's state-of-the-art filtration eliminates off-tastes and odors from sediment and chlorine while reducing up to 99.9% of lead in water to provide users with clean, great-tasting water. Our bottleless water coolers and ice machines use industry-leading filtration, touchless sensor dispensing, LED UV technology, and an antimicrobial surface protection to maintain water cleanliness, providing real peace of mind. In addition, only Quench offers mineral-infused and electrolyte-enhanced filtered drinking water with Quench Water Plus. Join the many leading organizations that have already decided to work with Quench, including Volvo, Airgas, Cintas, Kraft Foods, and UPS. And check out Quench by the numbers. Over 6,300 manufacturing organizations trust Quench, offers up to 80% cost savings versus bottled water delivery, 174 million plus bottles saved per year by Quench's manufacturing customers. Are you interested in finding out more? Talk to a Quench manufacturing and warehouse water expert today, or learn more at quenchwater.com.